Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing on the third part of order Coleoptera, in which we describe the suborder Polyphaga families. Earlier, in first two lectures, we discussed about the characteristics of Coleoptera, characteristics of Edifica and their families, difference between the Edifica and Polyphaga. Now, we are going to discuss the families of order Polyphaga. These are the characters of order Polyphaga. Hindcox immovable, wings never be distinct oblongum, notopleural sulcus never distinct in prothorax, testes are follicular, ovarioles are acrotrophic, Malpighian tubules of various types. The important families of order Polyphaga are given here. The Hydrophilidae, Leucanidae, Scarabidae, Dermistidae, Bostricidae, Coccinellidae, Tenebrionidae, Malloidae, Cerambicidae, Urochidae, Curculionidae, etc. All these families are included in suborder Polyphaga. One by one, we describe them and their characteristics with the distinct pictures. Hydrophilidae is the first family. This is the picture of Hydrophilidae. What are the characteristics of Hydrophilidae? Hydrophilidae family members are known as water scavengers. They are aquatic or terrestrial. The beetles are minute to large, black or dull colored, oval in shape, somewhat convex or flattened. Antennae short with 6 to 9 segments. Maxillary palps are often longer than antennae. The mid and hind legs are fringed with setae for swimming. Tarsi 5 segmented, generally not exceeding 1.25 centimeter. Herbivores. Hydrophilus casmeriensis is a example given here. Second family is the Leucanidae, staghorn beetles known as the stag beetles. Here is Leucanidae known as staghorn beetles. These are the stag beetles. Mandibles of males enormously enlarged and antler-like, forwardly projected in males. 5 visible sternites are present. Abdomen concerned with unstriated elytra. Antennae geniculate. Feed upon decaying vegetable matters. Sexually dimorphic. इसका मतलब हो गया मेल और फीमेल में डिफरेंसेस देखने को मिलेंगे. Example, Leucanus lunifer. Third family is the Scarabidae. Here is the members of Scarabidae. These are known as dung beetles or chaffers. What are the characteristics of Scarabidae? Family Scarabidae members are small to very large, smooth, shiny, usually round or oval, very convex, robust beetles. 6 visible sternites are present, antennae 8 to 10 segmented, roll dung into convenient sized balls and buried in underground chambers. Many have spines and horns on the head and prothorax. This one is the spines. A prominent spine is present on the head. These are often nocturnal. सामान्यतया कहते हैं, लेकिन ये सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग में भी आपको खूब देखने को मिलेंगे. Examples: Calliocopris, Bucephalus, Oryctus rhinoceros, that is known as coconut beetle, Orphanus aecinus, cow dung beetle. These are the some important examples. Family Dermastidae, known as the skin beetles. Here is the Dermastidae. Small to moderate size, oval or hemispherical beetles, often clothed with fine scales or hairs. Metasternum of normal length without a transverse sulcus, often head with median ocellus. Larvae caraboid, densely covered with long and short tufts of hairs. Feeds on dried animal and vegetable matters such as skins, horn, hairs, wools, cheese, museum specimens, etc. Serious household pest. Dermastidae is the serious household pests. आप जानते हैं ट्रोगोडर्मा ग्रेनेरियम, जिसे खबरा बीटल कहते हैं, हाइड बीटल्स, डर्मेस्टस वेल्पिनेस, हाइड बीटल्स, ये सामान्यतया स्टोरलैंड पेस्ट के रूप में जाने जाते हैं. ट्रोगोडर्मा ग्रेनेरियम. फैमिली बोस्ट्रिचिडी. Here is the Bostricidae family members. Small to large, black or reddish brown, with hood-like pronotum, concealing the hypognathous head. Antennae are club-shaped. Lesser green borer is also a stored grain pest. Is example Rhizopertha dominica. Next family is the Coccinellidae. Members of the family Coccinellidae are known as the ladybird beetles. This is the कॉक्सिनिलिडी मेंबर। इस तरह के आप बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स देखते हो। ये इकोनॉमिकली वैल्यूएबल है, बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल में यूज होता है और सामान्यतया एफिड के ऊपर ये वोरेशियस फीडर होता है। स्मॉल टू मीडियम साइज्ड, oval and round, convex, often brightly colored, red, black, yellow, or brown, and variously spotted. Head is partly concealed by pronotum, tarsi 444. Third, concealed in deeply bilobe second tarsus. Antennae short. Predaceous in their larval and adult stages on aphids, coccids, palurodids, and mites. So this is biologically, yeah, it help in biological control. Examples: Coccinella septempunctata, Rhodolia cardinalis are the examples. Tenebrionidae, the darkling beetles. This is the Tenebrionidae. Small or large, elongate, somewhat flattened, usually black or sometimes reddish brown. Very often they are wingless or with vestigial wings. The elytra are frequently fused. Tarsi 554, heteromerous, and claws are simple. Antennae short. Red flower beetles, Tribolium confusum or Tribolium castaneum. These are also Storgen pests, are the example of the Tenebrionidae. This is the example of a picture of Malloidae. The next family is the Malloidae, known as the oil beetles and blister beetles. Blister जिसे हम कहते हैं कि फफोले हो जाना, स्किन के ऊपर यदि इसका एक्सक्रीटा निकलता है तो उससे फफोले हो जाते हैं और इरिटेटिंग तो होंगे ही। ये फैमिली इंपॉर्टेंट है इस लिहाज से कि हर तरह से ये नुकसान पहुंचाती है। ये बात हम यहाँ देखते हैं। What are the characteristics of family Malloidae? Malloidae members are medium-sized beetles, conspicuously covered with the bright metallic blue, green, black, or brown. The head is hypognathous and is joined to the prothorax by a distinct neck. आराम से मूवेबल नेक हमें देखने को मिलेगी इसकी और खूब देखा जाता है ये। आप अभी फील्ड में देखोगे, खेतों में देखोगे, क्रॉप्स पे देखोगे। The wings are well developed and loosely covered the body. Tarsi 554 segmented. Tarsal claws bifid or dentate, appendiculate type. Adult soft bodied, long legs, phytophagous. When distributed, the beetles emits a fluid containing a canthridin oil which has irritant properties through the opening in the apicage of the femur. कैंथ्रेडिन ऑयल भी निकलता है इससे. एग्जाम्पल ब्रिस्टल बीटल और स्पाइनस फ्लाई, स्पेनिश फ्लाई. माइलोब्रेस फेलरेट्स the blister beetle, Lyta vesicatoria, the Spanish fly. Another family is the Cerambycidae, longhorn beetles. Here is the Cerambycidae. क्या एंटीना है, बॉडी की लंबाई को भी क्रॉस कर रहे हैं और बड़े बड़े एंटीना देखने में डरावना सा इंसेक्ट लगता है ये. एंटीना यूजुअली एट लीस्ट 2/3 ऑफ द बॉडी, ज्यादा तो है ही, and capable for being flexed backward. All tibia with two spurs, claws simple, tarsi 5 segmented, the third segment being bilobed, concealed the further segment. Some are serious pests on fruit trees, coffee, destroy furniture. Betosera rhocomaculata, the mango stem borer. Next family is the seed beetles, Bruchidae. What are the characteristics of family Bruchidae? I want to show you picture. बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है ये, कोई बात नहीं, देख लेंगे इसको. Bruchidae, seed beetles, small, short, stout bodies beetles, covered by setae or scales, and are usually dull greenish or brownish in color. Head is hypognathous. Antennae are usually clavate, serrate, or pectinate. The elytra are smooth, striped, and covered with scales. The tarsi are 5 segmented, ending in claws, hooked at base. The femora often swollen and dentate. Serious pest on stored pulsage. Colossobruchus chinensis is the example. Next family is the Curculionidae, जिनमें विविल्स आती हैं. और विविल्स आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. दिस वन इज द Curculionidae. ईलियां, जिसे सुरसरी ईली जो भी आप जानते हैं, तो ये भी Curculionidae, ये भी Curculionidae. ये हर वैरायटी देखने को मिलेगी आपको इसमें. और सीरियस पेस्ट. Head is more or less prolonged into a snout. A labrum is usually wanting. The eyes are well developed. Antennae are geniculate and clavate, are arise from the about the mid-length of the snout. Trochanter very elongated. Notorious past of standing crops and stored grains. This is the important point. These the members of family Curculionidae are notorious pests of standing crops को भी नहीं छोड़ते and stored grain pests को भी. Example Setophilus oryzae, राइस वीविल जिसे आप जानते हैं. हाइपेरा पौस्टिका अल्फा अल्फा बीटल के नाम से जानी जाती है. कॉटन बॉल वीविल of USA, Anthnomus grandis. These are the examples of family Curculionidae. Various families are also remaining in this order. You can see them in MS Money and a different book is also given to you. By Eames or a small textbook that is by Rastogi Publication, Rajendra Singh. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.